Hi guys, welcome back to Wright's Cooking Channel. Today we're gonna cook for you creamy pasta with chicken, sausage, and here are our ingredients here.
We have bell pepper, garlic, red bell pepper, and these are seasonings. We have spinach, chicken, Italian sausage, pasta, heavy whipping cream, and Parmesan cheese.
Okay guys, first thing we're gonna do is put down our vegetable, our garlic, and our sweet pepper. While our vegetable is cooking guys, we're gonna put down our pasta. We're gonna put half of this. We're gonna let our pasta cook at least for 8 minutes. Now we're gonna add our chicken, all washed up. Now we're gonna add our sausage. Now I'm gonna add my spinach. Okay, now that my spinach is added, I'm gonna add my seasoning to the pot. And this is salt-free seasoning. This is garlic powder. This is onion powder. And this is black pepper. All 1 teaspoonful. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt to the pot. And now I'm gonna stir it. And I'm gonna let this cook and catch a good color. Now I'm gonna add my cream. So guys, I'm gonna make this cook until it gets thick. Now that it is getting thick, I'm gonna add a little bit of my Parmesan cheese to the pot. Now I'm gonna give it a stir. Look at it guys, delicious. Okay guys, now that my pasta is done, I'm just gonna rinse it and add it to the pot. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add my pasta. And now I'm gonna give it a stir. And this is it, guys. Look how nice it is. Ready to eat. Okay guys, this is my pasta. Plate up and ready to eat. A whole family. This is an easy way of making pasta. And this is what it looked like. I'm just gonna give you some to eat right now. Okay guys, remember to like, subscribe, and make a comment. And thanks for watching, guys.